What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the ST. Today we're going to be fitting an Airtec radiator and the JS Performance silicone hoses. So we're just going to start off by removing the front end on the time lapse because we've shown it a number of times. And let's get to it. Okay, so we've got the front end off. All I did was just take off these two pipes here, which you just press the tabs in. Might even give this a flush because it's still looking dirty again. Obviously remove the bottom radiator hose, the one that connects to the bottom of the tank there, and then you've got one here as well. So all we're going to do now is just get the pipes out of that set, see what's actually included in the kit, and then we'll just rip stuff off from there, because I'm hoping that we've got some oil hoses too and stuff like this, because they're just not very nice. I know there's no coolant in them now, but they're just, yeah, they're not great. So might even have to take the scuttle off, because there's two for the heat matrix, which is right back there, and that is an absolute pain to get to if you don't. So we'll probably work our way from the front, do the bastard ones at the back last, and then I'll give you guys a little update, and we'll also do the radiator, and we're going to remount the oil cooler because it's only just bolted in by the cooler. We're going to put a proper bracket on it today and actually sort that problem too. We're going to clean that out, man. That's fucking disgusting. Look, if you guys can see, I've got the fucking camera in my head. Nasty, nasty. Okay, so that's that pipe off. We're going to leave it connected. No, actually it's pointless. We'll just pull it off as well, off the T-piece. I'm just going to do these pipes in stages. Yeah, you can see good enough. Okay, so that's that pipe off there, and pull this one off. Stupid clamp stopping it. Right, it's off, hopefully. That's it. Bastard. Right, so let's get this one off. Okay, so one, got another, and then the other. So let's start fitting these bad boys. Silicone is a nightmare to get on dry, trust me. so now you can see new pipe here, here, and obviously the one at the back. So now we've got the old cooler pipes. So I'll just take this off. There. It runs right up to the bottom where the thermostat sits, so I think I'm just going to pull this pipe off, pull this one off as well at the back, because it only links there, and this side's pretty much done now, as you can see. Looks much better already. Had a bit of problem like just trying to get clamp clearance, as when you have a Cosworth manifold it ain't great anyway, it was rubs against a fucking manifold. But I think we've done alright considering it was a lot worse before. So just going to pull these ones off. And this is what I was saying about earlier, some dickhead from the factory thought it'd be funny to put the hose clamp in a stupid place. And you big... Oh, that one was tight and that bloody hurt. Right, so now that one's off, I've got the new pipe to go to the thermostat up there, but we're not going to worry about that yet because we need to get the other end of this pipe off here. So to get to it is a bit of a pain because it is literally buried under there. So I'm going to take this top hose off, get whatever I can out of the way, and I'll probably show you what I've done because this is going to be a nightmare, this one, I reckon. Right, apologies, my mistake. It's not actually clipped on under there. I just pulled off this big hose. It's actually clipped to the matrix, that one there. So I think what I'll probably do, pull the scuttle panel off, get this can out of the way, just get myself a bit more room. See, bloody hell, they come off easy for matrix hoses, normally they're a right pain in the arse. Right, there's a little clip to keep the pipes together, which we'll undo. Just quickly show you just in case you can't see. One down there, and as you can see, there is one next to it too. A little one next to it, and then there is one that runs down from there all the way up into that crevice there. Okay, so I've just spent a bit of time off camera doing all the pipes, getting them on, even the one, can't even see it, it's like, it goes underneath the manifold from there. That one was a bastard, I must admit. Getting it off was a bit shit from here, but actually fitting it there, because the pipe kept moving back and forth, so it wasn't great, I must admit. It moves a little bit, but it barely now. It's nice and solid. I mean, look, if I pull on that with everything, it ain't going nowhere, whereas before I could pretty much get that off. So hopefully she'll hold up, and obviously matrix pipes too, all on. So all I'm going to do now is get the scuttle back on off camera, with the wipers and stuff, tidy all these pipes up, get them all cable tied and stuff so it's ready to go back together. And then we'll look at getting that radiator out, and I'll mount the cooler off camera because I'm not really doing a video for that. That's just more for my personal preference. Okay, so I've got the front end here, so all you need to do is pull one of these tabs forward and push up, and then lift, and you'll be able to somewhat maneuver this out the fucking way, because I've got a coolant line stuck on the rad. It never wants to come out. Okay, so that's your cowling out of the way, and then you've got two little bolts down here. And the other one there. Okay, you can use like a 24mm or a set of pliers, or that thing there. There'll be one either side. The bolts just go in to stop them spinning free. And then remove your top ones as well, because you'll need those. And that's your little radiator out. So we just put that there. That's quite thick, and that's very thin. So the core is quite big on this, to be fair. By the looks of it, you've got to modify this cowling as well, because you've got two Allen keys in here. So I'm just going to drill some holes and I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Okay, so new bracket for the cooler is now mounted on. Much better than how it used to be, because it literally used to just be bolted through here. Pretty sturdy as well, now that it's all tightened down. Obviously, Airtec radio's in, and the cowling fitted too. So let's just get this thing back together on a time lapse. up and running, as you can see. Pretty much get up to temperature 2. There's not really much to show you in the bay, if I'm honest with you, because as a lot of you guys know, everything's hidden, so you hardly even see those pipes, especially when you have the mountain tune cold air intake and stuff like that. It just hides it all. So I'll do a couple of little clips at the start of the video, so you would have seen it before I've even got to this. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know the footage got a bit funny, but I was struggling with a couple of bits for some reason. That normally you should just be able to bang these on, it'll be alright, but it wasn't the case. And then I had issues with the oil cooler too, which is obviously off camera. But having said that, we got it done. Radiators in, pipes are on, and I got the oil cooler done. So we got all the jobs we wanted to do today done. So I'm happy. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos if you are new to the channel, and I'll catch you later.